is Hans, the Ramenator, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one for the US, made in Taiwan though. This is Asha Dry Noodle Keroppi Mandarin style noodle with silly spicy sauce. Woo! Yeah, he's one of Hello Kitty's friends. Hello Kitty. Well, what do you know? And I'm gonna do this one up. So it's one kind of geared towards kids, but it's spicy. Spicy. How spicy? We'll find out. Got one sachet. Got your noodle. Can you see that? The children are attacking and not listening and being loud. And I don't know how long they will be allowed to live. So we will see what happens with that. And here goes the Bra Pilot. What a weird name. How weird is that? I don't know. But listen to something else. I think we're going on a Saturday to the local Costco store, which sounds like a bad idea. But generally it goes pretty well. But usually it ends up packed. God, where did we go last night? And it was just insane. Whole Foods. Whoa. It was nuts there. You know what they have there? They have potato chips made just out of chicken. They're a trip. Literally, they're chicken made into potato chips. They're not bad. You might want to look at that if you're interested in such things. They taste just like chicken because they are chicken. It's for those who need the protein really bad. I enjoy protein. Proteinous things. And protons. Proteins and protons and Protovision. Do you know what Protovision is? They don't make this. So Protovision is the place in the movie War Games from the 80s where dude hacks into and it turns out to be the Department of Defense. I've got a big old Protovision. Oh, that'd be cool. I've got a Protovision sticker on my computer, but like a big old Department of Defense sticker, that'd be cool. Yeah. I just like stickers and logos and stuffs. It's fun. A lot of the time, if I get a package from out of the country and it's got like some kind of interesting label on it, I'll meticulously peel the label off and try to save it for posterity. I did it last night with a beer I had, this St. Bernardus Triple Belgian, but I was like, I don't know where I want to even stick that, so I got rid of it. Not a hoarder. Not a hoarder. We fell asleep on the couch watching Hoarders and then woke up and it was just like, oh look, it's Dr. Zazio saying, oh, you're doing much better, you're doing good. Hoarding is crazy. I don't know, it fascinates the heck out of me. We enjoy the Hoarders program. Makes me want to get rid of junk. Makes me want to do some cleaning, I don't know. Like the Echo. All right. It's time. So let's do what is to be done. Oh, say yeah. There's this movie now called Encanto, whatever, and there's like 2 songs on it, and they're like freaking earworms. The kids listen to them all the time. I'll find myself walking through the house, humming it, singing it, freaking out about it. It's not getting out of my head. It's a horrible thing. I do think that anybody experiencing this same condition of Disney earworm should just send a bill to the Walt Disney Company. They definitely have 2/3 of the frontal lobe of my children's brains in their pocket. I mean, they could like make, I don't know, life insurance that just had a picture of Anna and Elsa or the people from a particular thing. They would just want to buy it. Can I have the life insurance? I want the Anna and Elsa life insurance. It's frozen. It's frozen. You know, I mean, Anna and Elsa themed wood screws. I mean, anything. You put that on it, kids want it. At least mine do. Okay. The kids are not obeying. They're getting the business. So they might have to be in trouble. That sucks. This looks good. Mmm. I'm getting a sesame hit. Silly spicy, huh? Well, there's a little bit of spicy in there. That one. Frog flavor. That's the way to go. Of all these, that's my favorite. By far. And that's saying something, because the first one I tried got 5 stars. This one will get 5 stars as well. I think these are mostly like pre-existing conditions. No, pre-existing varieties that they just did them up with licensing on them. So this one is really quite wonderful. It's got a nice savoriness. It's got a nice spiciness. I was going to slice up some chashu, some homemade chashu, but oh man, that's good. I made all this Chinese sausage. Oh! I was gonna eat that piece. Oh well. So there's the sausage, the chin. Now we're gonna go for the marinated egg. I am slicing said egg. One moment. Come on. There you go. Beauty. Happy. Yes, I made these a couple days ago, so they're kind of darker. Generally, all I do is do a mix of water and soy sauce because I don't eat them. If I were going to do something I was going to eat, I would add in a little bit of mirin. Maybe, I don't know. If I was going to go full on, I don't know. I don't know. other thing, flavor thing. Do we want to go Laogan Ma on this sucker? It's a spicy variety, so why not? I mean, it really doesn't need it, but it'll give it a little punch of color. There we go. Get a Laogan Ma right there. That love sludge. Oh. Really though, you want to try that. That's what you want. You need to get this stuff. And then I am actually officially out of spring onion. Actually, let's call them scallions. That's more regionally correct, I believe. And some seeds. Wow, what a lovely, lovely dish we have here. And there we are. For a spicy variety, this is nice and savory, which I think is the way to go. You can have stuff, it's really easy to make something that's like violently spicy, but you can also make something that's really spicy and has a nice flavor to it, and that's what I prefer. I make hot sauce sometimes, and that's how I make my hot sauce. It's not so hot, but it tastes good. You know? Well, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you can find these noodles and all the other Hello Kitty and Friends stuff probably over at ashadrynoodle.com. They've got a whole slew of them. There's 4 varieties of Hello Kitty, My Melody, Keroppi, and the next one I'll try, which is the last of the quartet, is Bat's Maru. What is it? Sesame boss sauce. So I'm gonna guess it's kind of gonna be a sesame paste variety. So stay tuned for that. That'll come soon. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.